Alright guys, go ahead and take your 2 warm drops so everyone lap once he gets here. Watch on the back turn. Good, watch it to the wall. Between minus and the wall. No laps, no laps.
Two laps, don't break it. Oh! No, I do that.
Alright, so order's going to be Matt, Jim, second, Jerry third, Houseman 4, Kimberly 5, and Davis 6. So this is Stage Truck. Let's find you guys in the next series. Go ahead and take a lap, Matt. So 200 open stadium truck. So Jim Matt is currently on the lead, 197. We've got Jerry in 2 with a 194, and Ryan in 3 with a 190. So real close battles there. We've got a couple right behind Ryan as well. So things good shaped up here. All right. So again, the order.
Matt Morris.
All right. Checking from the ball. Great. Marshall's ready. Racer's ready. Matt, you're going to go on the tell. Everyone else is going to call your names. I'm going to read them off pretty quick, so make sure you go when I call. Jim. Jerry. Houseman. Chris. And Davis. This is your second heat on the 2-wheel stadium truck. You guys are chasing a 25-5-10 from Jamie Brock from that person. Let's see how it's shaped up here. Oh, watch me over there. That was Mr. Morris. Alright, 1 minute down. We got Jason Davis out in the lead right now. 27-5-10. Smashing that OT here. We got Jerry in the 2. Jim 3. Jason Houseman 4. Morris 5. And Chris in 6. So brackets pretty much over everywhere right now. So real close racing. And things are changing up as I speak. Let's come on so Jason Houseman with all blue black wheels coming across the front double. We got Matt Morris in the mostly white, some orange units coming across the back double. Sending it. That's exciting. We got Jim Adams out there in the white and blue. X-ray coming off the front double. Not to be confused with Jerry Device's blue and white associated. So Jim's got like a streaky look in my body, got Jerry with the right front blue here. Chris out there in his signature green, orange, and yellow upside down, like said his name. Chris the announcer still exists. Jason Davis. So Jason Davis and green wheels are fastest. So he's got green front, blue center, and white rear truck across the line now. That's a hit. So currently we've got Jerry on the lead, Jason Davis in 2, Jim House 3, Jason House 4, Chris 5, Matt in 6. Watch the back turn with a long side out on the back turn. Clear. Matt Morris is going for some style. Watch them on the sweeper. We got an outside on the sweeper. Clear. 145 left to go this one. Top four is still better than the other two. So the order is now Jason Davis to the lead, Jerry in 2, Jim 3, Jason Hausman 4, Chris 5, and Matt pulling it off. Pulling back strong, round 2 on short. But the most important thing is Jason Davis had the hot one. 11-1. Jerry also has a 11-1, but not quite as fast as what Jason Davis. Jim has an 11-2. Oh, Jerry taking that lead from Jason Davis now. 26-5-10, both of them. But Jim now is still a couple seconds back too. So that was just across the top 4. Oh, help me know that Jim take himself out of that battle. Under a minute to go. Oh, uphill. Fancy footwork there from Mr. Shaggy. Thank you very much. Appreciate the effort. Alright, under 30 to go. When you hear the tone, remember racers keep going. So your name is called, you know, on the uphill. Alright, so now Jason Davis still on the lead. Jerry right behind, 0.1 seconds between them on the clock. You got Jason Hausman up in the 3 spot now. Just put his foot on that spin round 1. You got Jim Anderson in the 4 and Chris in the 5. So close the battle still between Jason Davis and Jerry Price. That's coming still out. Keep going. Oh, Chris upside down. Everyone else keeping on all fours. Yep. Jason Davis coming around. And that's a race. Jason Davis running at 26-5-06. Everyone's done. Jerry in 2. Jason Hausman 3. Jim 4. Chris 5. That's a round. Alright, so I'm going to get the second round of sheets set up. And then I'll start the 5-minute timer. We'll do 3 rounds.